All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to look at the pre-lab portion of the titration lab where we're just testing the vinegar and the sodium hydroxide with different indicators. So I have here vinegar. We don't have the normal plate that we would work with, so we're using the little cups here. So I have vinegar in each one of these cups, and then I also have pH paper in the weighing boat. So we're going to test the vinegar first with BTB. So when I put the BTB in the vinegar, you can see that it changes to yellow. When I put phenolphthalein in the vinegar, it does nothing. It is still that clear solution. And when I test the pH paper with vinegar, it turns that yellow color. And if we look at it, that yellow color on our pH indicator here falls at about a 3 or 4. I would say it's a little bit closer to 3. So we would say vinegar has a pH approximately of 3. Now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do it for the sodium hydroxide. So here I have sodium hydroxide. We're using 0.50 molar for the lab here. And I have sodium hydroxide in the cup. When I add BTB or bromothymol blue to it, you can see it turns that bright blue color. When I add phenolphthalein to the sodium hydroxide, it turns that bright pink color. And when I add the sodium hydroxide to our pH paper, it turns a dark blue color, matching that up to our pH paper indicator. That is at a pH of 13 there. So record all that in your data table and put your data down in your Google form.